Construction tower is now online. It redirects power and resources to build sites, massively boosting module assembly speed. Yep, module requires active crew to operate. So this is where we're going to get humans on board, I guess. Provide living space for colonists by constructing habitat modules. Let's build some then. The colonist info is uniquely displayed in the following format on the bar. Housed occupants, occupied colonists, and maximum colonists capacity. So we need to build T2 habitats on the DS define. So let's go to the DS define. Let's get a bit of an outside view. So go into build mode with B. Alright, they need to be T2s. Yeah, see everything on there is a T1, that's no good. So we're going to go to build some T2s, which are maybe, can we build one here? Is this a T2? Yeah. T2, did you say medium habitat? Yeah. My mouse is acting a bit funny. So, yeah, they're a bit far away. So if we go to our Restorer 7, which I called a stupid name before, and orientated this way. And those down, they'll get there that little bit quicker, won't they? Let's turn out a bit more. Just go forward.
Construction completed.
Oh, that's been done. All right. So I need to build 2. So let's find another one on the DS refinery. See, it's circular, or should I say it's spinning in a circular kind of thing to provide gravity for the inhabitants. Medium habitat, yep. So they're going to have to go that bit further. I hope I'm making some kind of sense with this design. I can always take B off to see what we're doing better on the hood. I assume it will tell me if you don't have enough, if I don't have enough equipment. Yeah, maybe we've run out of resources. I'm just going to turn it to face, which is there, and say, can you send some stuff over? Now, Restorer is there, so Atlas is there, so we should be able to send them some iron. Let's send them, say, let's send them 69 iron, yeah. Where do you want to jet us sending to? Here we go. There you go, little buddy. En route to the hangar. Good lad. How do I make more haulers? I think I should be close enough, eh? Let the guys do their job. It's just the time element, really. So, if I'm on my ship, which I am, F, it'll tell me I've got 10 silicone. Why is silicone not going up, do you reckon? Alright, he's trying to build it, look. So as he's getting more, my ship, the retarder as I call it, as it gets more silicone, it seems to squirt more towards the thing we're building. Yeah, you see? But it can only do a little bit. Well, I suppose this is kind of clever in a way. So it's kind of like working as it's going along, as it gets the supplies it's building. Yeah, you see? I suppose we put the hood back on. It'll tell us if we've actually completed the 2 builds, the 2 medium habitat builds. So we've still only got 32 people. SI. Still not done, and I've only got 1 ton of silicon left. Might be a case of just going nearer to the habitat that we're building, and it might send out loads more staff.
Construction complete.
Yay! It did it! Good news that you've now increased your colonist capacity. I think so, yeah. That was a bit of a chewy way to do it, but we did it. So what's next? Water is essential for survival out here, so we're going to the water tab here. This bar shows the available water reserves of your station. Water is essential for survival out here. For a station this side, we will have to store quite a bit of it. Build large T2 water storage module. This bar on the left side panel shows your current station's water capacity. Objective T2 water storage module 1 times on the DS Refine. So go to the DS Refine. B for build. That has to be T2 again. Okay. Water storage. There's 1. We're going to have to build 1, and it basically needs iron and silicone. All right. Forward. Not so much right. There we go, there go the workers, constructing. If I, hang on, press space to kill all boost. Guys are undocking, they're going to do the work. I'll turn towards it to make it easier for them. Oh, I'm not Oh yes, I'm kind of stuck on something. I need to go up. Tiny bit stuck. No damage caused, I don't think. Oh, right, wrong way. Go closer. Trying to move to my right, or spin to my right. What's the work going on down there? Oh, looks like it's doing some scavenging as well. Alright, that's clever. So it's building and scavenging at the same time. I thought I had a special ship for scavenging. So they're building. So there's quite a bit of activity going on now. Why is it scavenging from there? Ah, we're short of... Oh, it's done. Thank God for that. Well done so far, but we are trying to make a factory and not just a hotel. So now it's time to start preparing the way for our refineries. What's going on here? Where are they going? Would that be one there maybe? The first thing we need is metal storage for storing asteroid chunks and refined materials. For now, build more of these, but always plan ahead. As your industry scales, so will your storage needs, and you'll need to build more in the future. Build a T2 metal storage ×1 on the DS refine. So, a metal storage, so that's B for build. Metal storage T2, how many more were those? Just the one? It looks like it's getting built.
Not enough resources.
Ah, not enough resources for something. So that needs 20 of iron and 20 of silicone. On Restorer I've got no iron and no silicone. Alright. Well, why don't I just sort of go down over and I'll get tons of silicone from this scrap, won't I? We're chopping away at something, so I just want the down control. In space there is no down. Well, my guys are getting silicone, but it doesn't seem to be showing. I wonder what this is. A solar wing. Not mine, I hope. Why is it saying I've got no silicone? If I've got no silicone, what all the hell is this then? En route to build. I'm going to rotate my nose off Restorer 7. That belongs to me. Where did I put my metal storage before? I can't remember. Oh, it's right there. There's metal storage there. It says I need 10 of Fe and 10 of silicone. And it strangely says for some reason I don't have those on the Restorer. Right, we go back to the Restorer 7. Last couple of bits. Well, last tons I suppose they are really. Not so much bits. Going up for the last bit now. My little robot rockets. I'm calling them servitors if you've read any hard sci-fi, especially from British authors recently. That's Alistair Reynolds, Peter F. Hamilton, Stephen Baxter. You'll know what a servitor is. Some brilliant books made by them. Right. He's going back home now. So, if we go to the DS Refine, there's the thing we need to get to. I've just realised all this time I haven't had the navigation aid on this, I mean. Let's spin the nose round. I think we've got enough materials. Whoa. Can I just move out a bit? Falling down again, don't want to hit anything.
Construction completed.
Ah, it's done it. Great. As you can see, your metal storage capacity has increased. Where was it again? There you are. 170. Now let's make a thing. Build some refineries. These have a more complex shape, but can always rotate modules by pressing R. This goes outside, it's going to be hard. For now, let's build one of them. Objective: build a T2 refinery on DS Refine. Click on DS Refine. Things are getting a bit complicated. So a T2 refinery, so B for the build. A T2 refinery. What does it need? It should tell you here. It needs 150 of silicone. It needs 200 of iron, which we don't have. What have we got on there? No, we've got 1 iron. Right, let's go back once again to the Atlas hauler. Why don't I send my scavenger to get some scavenging stuffy? We're not in the right plane. Oh no, it's bloody over here, man. I need to rotate. Oh yeah, it's scanning it. It's iron. Alright. So I just want to start.
Mining offline. Mining online.
Don't need to scan anymore, I guess.
Offline.
Oh, there we go. Good. Right, I can set him back to doing his job. Now this needs, so we need kind of like 150 of iron and silicone. Alright, so that's around the other side there. Stop that. Go back to the Atlas hauler. Tell her to give me tons of iron. $150, didn't it? Jettison, where to? So it's confirming here that you're jettisoning that from there. I just wish I had more little machines. Oh, looks like the silicone is just off one of the engines or something. Make sure you control and restore a 7 by clicking on it. Right, meanwhile, what's happening in the scavenger? Oh, it's just there. So why don't we send him to scavenge this? We'll always do something else while the guys are getting the materials in. In fact, I think I'll rotate to that one and journey towards it. Stop spinning round. I don't know why the scavenger doesn't seem to... I think I might put the angular dampers on as well, eh? Maybe that's what's not on it. Head down. Yeah. Yeah. Right, kind of facing the right way. See?
Scanners online.
No. Oh yes, it scanned it. It's saying it's iron and silicone. So go mining then.
Scanners
Stop
offline.
scanning. I don't know why it's not doing it. Oh, there it goes. There you go, that should do you, lads. So this guy needs to be further in, or he's never going to reach the silicone. Go back to our scavenger. Yep, he's getting the stuff, he's doing the business. So on board the Restorer we've got 161 iron, 40 silicone. Could do with slightly more silicone. Restorer now has 40 silicone. Let's go back to the DS Define and say, what was the requirements? Yeah, it needs a lot more silicone than that. I mean, the scavenger might have some hidden talents I don't know about. Lift the nose up for it. So let's go back to Restorer. How's he getting on with his silicone? I think he's got tons now. Just get these last two in. Is that it? I believe that might be it. Is there any more? Yes, one more. Good. Oh no, still getting some more. What do you want to pick up now? Pick up. Oh. We'll leave him to that. So, here they go, they're undocking. One route to build. Down. Cross. Forward. Oh, they're busy. But we've got enough. Don't say I'm going to run out one shot. Oh, it's done it. Brilliant. Almost ready to go, but there's one problem. We can't send any materials to be found without a functioning cargo bay. Well, I'm going to leave this story once again here. Achieved quite a lot again, I think. So if you are still with me, congrats. I know it hasn't been terribly clear all of the time, but hope you're enjoying it. Hope I'm helping people who want to play the game. This is Crunchy signing off for now. Bye for now.